Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if the mobile hotspot is not working in Windows 11. I'll show you the quick ways how to fix it. So the first method is that I'm going to restart the mobile hotspot services. So for that I will go in the services, and then afterwards I will look for a service called Windows Mobile Hotspot Service, and then I will set the startup type as automatic. If it is already running, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop this service, and then I will start the service again, and then I will click OK. Now if you look at the service, it is up and running. Now this is the first method. Now if the issue is not fixed after restarting the service, what I can do is I'm going to move to the second method, which is delete hosted network settings. So what I'm going to do is I will open the registry editor, and then I will click yes. All I need to do is just copy and paste this path over here, and just copy and paste it. Control A and Control V and press enter. And I'm going to delete this hosted network settings. Just right click and delete this. Click yes. It has been deleted. Now I'm going to close this. Now is the time to restart my computer. So I will restart my computer. So see you after the restart. So we have successfully restarted our computer. Now we will check if the issue is still not fixed. We will move towards the third method, which is to reinstall Wi-Fi driver. For that, I will go in the device manager, go to the device manager under control panel, and then after that, just wait. Uh, After that, go to the network adapters and look for Wi-Fi driver. This one is the Wi-Fi driver. Where is the network adapter? Okay, this one. This one is my Wi-Fi adapter. What I'm going to do is I will just right click and I will click uninstall device. After that, I will click uninstall and I will restart my computer again. So see you after the restart. So my computer has been restarted. Now, if the issue is still not fixed, we will move towards the last method, which is to reset the entire network. So for that, I will go in the settings, go to settings first, uh, and then after that, I will go to the network and internet section, and then after that, I will go to the advanced network settings, and after that, I will click over here network reset, and after that, I will click reset now. This is going to reset your network settings. This will not delete your data or any file, it will only reset your network settings. So I'm going to click reset, and then I will the computer will be restarted. So just do that. I'm not going to do it right now. You need to do it to resolve the issue. So this was our last method. So I hope after performing all these steps, your issue will be fixed. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.